Now, if you grew up in a southern kitchen like me, you know this cake was a staple. Yellow cake. Whether you called it yellow cake, birthday cake, or the cake, this was the one cake that showed up at every Sunday supper, birthday party, or special occasion. Welcome to my new series, Generational Recipes, where I'm bringing back the flavors of our childhood and honoring the recipes that built our family tables. And baby, we are kicking things off with a true classic, good old yellow cake with chocolate frosting. And let me tell you, my big mama, oh, she was the queen of making yellow cakes rich, buttery, and tender with that perfect golden crumb. And then she topped it off with a simple, smooth, lick the bowl chocolate frosting. One bite, and it's like you're back in your grandma's kitchen, sneaking a spoonful when she wasn't looking. I realize this classic has been so hard to master, but I'm sharing the recipe so you won't ever have to need another one. So get into this recipe and let's make some sweet memories together. This yellow cake is one of my fave generational recipes that keeps love, history, and flavor alive, booze.